Hello everybody, welcome back to Philocaly. Today's video is a run-through of Alicia Souza's Ultimate Planner for the year 2019. Yeah, I know if you're wondering why this at almost the end of the year. This video was shot way back in the beginning of Jan when I had received the planner. I was unable to post videos due to personal commitments. Then I thought I won't post it at all. But now, Alicia Souza is open for pre-booking of her 2020 planners. I'm posting this so that you can know what you can expect of her next year planner roughly, if you're planning to buy it this year. Alicia Souza is an illustrator based out of India and she makes exciting stuff. I'll leave a link to the online store in the description box below. You can check it out for the planner and for other goodies as well. Now let's get into the video. The planner was delivered in 15 days from the date of placing the order on the Alicia Souza website. There was a cardboard packaging and then there was this reusable sturdy box with some illustrative detailing on it. Upon opening the box, there were two notes. One had a thank you note and the other was an apology note for the delay in delivery. The planner is a hardbound spiral notebook. Opening the planner, it says this year belongs to, where you can write down your name and paste a photograph of yourself. This page is for some personal information and some emergency contacts. There are 4 pages of stickers which can be used throughout the planner. Next is a small activity where you write a letter to yourself and read it at the end of the year. – 2019 and 20 calendars are printed here, followed by the year goals, some notes, and a goal tracker. Next we have the dividers for each month. So this is for January, where we get to write birthdays, important events, month goals, and a to-do list. On the next page is a habit tracker. And a period tracker. Next is a shopping list, place to write down tasks, things to be organized and clean. On the next page is the month planner where the entire month can be planned, followed by the date-wise planner and some place for notes. So this is the divider for February, the same content for each month, March, April, May. In May, I have already used my birthday sticker, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December they had changed the side and they have pasted it. There are some bookmarks and some tags. The bookmarks had grids which could be torn off. There were some plain pages for notes, an introspection page, pocket to keep essentials, and the tag. The overall review of the planner is that they are brilliant quality paper which does not bleed. Very beautifully done planner. This retailed for 1,500 rupees, but I had actually received it as a gift from a dear friend. That's it for today's video guys. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing and follow us on our social media for more updates. Until next time, bye bye.